We thought that the first experience that students should have with biology in a college setting should be doing real science, because it's much more fun. People have always said, and I said before, that my lab is this really exciting place, and most research labs are really exciting places, and classrooms are not that way. And so we want students to experience what science is like to do, rather than having to sit in a classroom and memorize facts. One thing you want in a class for undergraduates is the ability for them to do what we do in the lab, and that's discover things. You know, they're sequencing all these genomes now, and transposable elements are the vast majority of the sequence, and in most cases it goes unanalyzed because most people are focused on the genes. Now people are very interested in the transposable elements, but our lab and other labs are really equipped to handle this. Transposable elements are ubiquitous, they're abundant, and we're not quite, and there's a big mystery there, because we're not quite sure how this came to be and how it persists. And so it's this big mystery which students can participate in. The other thing that's different about this laboratory, as far as this classroom, is it's modeled after a modern research lab. So one example is, this is one of two rooms we have. We have two separate classrooms that students utilize during their 3 hours. So they go back and forth. One is a computer classroom and one is a wet lab. And this really reflects the increasing, the prevalence of computational analysis in almost all of modern biology. We don't just teach transposable elements. We also teach the students how to do experiments. And this is going to be critical no matter where they go in the next 4 years as students. We teach them how to design experiments. We teach them how to use cutting-edge equipment. In this way, when they leave our lab, when they leave this course, they are trained to work as independent researchers in research labs.
Hands-on experiences are probably one of the most important things, like, regarding science and everything, and I've never pipetted before, and neither have I extracted DNA or run gels or run PCR, and all of these new things have really changed my view on genetics.
All classrooms should be like this, it really should, because instead of sitting around and getting sidetracked by the phone or by little things, you know, when you're in lecture, you really get the opportunity to feel important, feel like you're part of what's going on, and feel like you're all part of the big science population that's out there.